Good morning, class. So at this point we're looking at the topic on integers. In yesterday's lesson we did the memo of the recycle test you have written. Okay. For some reason or other something went wrong and I re-recorded the lesson. Okay. So you can do watch that or re-watch it. It is done solo. Okay. So which page are we on? Page 41. This is exercise? Exercise 1, number 2. Okay. Alright, so the question says substitute the asterisk with greater or less than so that each of the following statements is true. Yes?
So we're supposed to finish marking from 12. So
Yes, 12 so. Okay, no problem. Yes, I want to hear about the x's and all that. Let's see. Number 12. Where are you, Nayasha?
further example. So by the
Further examples. No, that is still coming. That is still coming. This is this.
yeah.
No, that is still coming. We are now. First, exercise 1. After that exercise, we went on to the next work. Okay, so that's still coming. So you must substitute more than or less than. So the first one, which one is greater? 4. So the inequality must be open to the 4. The next one? 3 is greater. The next one? Negative 2. 0. 0. 8. 1. Negative 3. Negative 10. 2. 9. 6. You all okay with that? Right. Let's carry on with the lives. Again, the question is to write in ascending order. So it's going to be negative 4, negative 2, negative 1. The next one is negative 4, negative 1, 0 and 4. The next one, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 4 and 5. The next one, negative 4, negative 3, 1, 4 and 5. The next one, negative 8, negative 3, 0, 1, 7. The next one,
Negative 9, negative 6, negative 5, 0, 1.
okay.
Negative 4, negative 8, negative 2,
Negative 9. And the last one is negative 20, negative 12, negative 6, 6 and 11. Okay. Any issues there? Tell me the next two numbers in the pattern. 0 and negative 2, we did that one. The next one? So we're subtracting 10. So negative 15 minus 10 is negative 15 minus 25. The next one? We're adding 4. So it's going to be positive 2 and 6. 4.4. So you're adding 1, then 2, then 3. So I must add 4, which is 12. You add 5, 17. Of course, there's another way. No? You could have said 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 13. What's up? 8 plus 13, 21. Got a gotten that as well. No? Who did that one? Okay, nice. Both would have been accepted in the exam. Okay. Was given like that, I think I would have given you another number. It's either the number I would have given you 12 and I expected you to go with 17 and plus 6, which is 23. Or if I have given you 13, the next number would have had to be 21 instead. Can you see? So in that case, we normally give you another extra number. You have to be sure which way to go. Or there's only one right way to go. Okay. The next one, we're subtracting 1, then 2, then 3. No? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then you must subtract 4. So they give you? Sorry? So you will subtract 4. So it's negative 6. You subtract 5, it's negative 11. Next one, added 1, plus 2, plus 3. So you must add 4, which is 0, 5. Okay, you all okay with that? Then we went on to integers. We spoke about that extensively. We did further examples. We made this note here. So number 12 onwards. Not so. Did you guys answer this already? It was part of your homework, no? So the first answer is? 5. Minus 3 plus 8. Negative 3 plus 8 is 5. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. The next one?
Negative 8.
So it's going to be 4a minus 12a, which is negative 8a, which is correct. Negative times positive is a? Positive times negative is a? Negative. Okay. Positive times negative. So it's 10b minus 3b, which is 7b. So it's negative 2x squared. Positive times negative is negative 3x squared, which is negative 5x squared. And notice how you are doing it without that middle step, which is fine, no problem with that. Number 17, so it will be negative 2. Positive times negative is negative 3. Positive times negative is negative 5. So what's minus 2 minus 3? Negative 5 minus 5? Negative 2. Next one is negative 1. Positive times negative, negative 10. Positive times negative, negative 2. Negative 1 minus 11 is negative 10 is negative 11. Minus 2 is negative 13. Any issues there? No? See, there's a note there. They were looking for like terms there. Not so? That was a note given there, it's like terms. That was the note given here. Look at number 19. So here we have negative 5. Positive times positive is? Positive 10. Positive times negative? Negative 8. Positive times negative? Negative 2. Positive times positive? Positive 6. So on your number line. Look at your number line. Do it together. I know you guys have answered the question already. The coupling at the back, where's your number line? Right at the back. Yes. Are you looking for it? Okay. Find it. Where's your number line? I thought you were looking for it. Huh? Your M, right? Find it. Keep your number line up, let me see. Where's your number line? Let me see. You must tear it out. Why are you having your book?
No, this is the second one, but
The first one you used as what? Toilet paper. Huh?
the other one that's on the paper, the two at home.
Oh, you left that at home, so that's on your wall at home.
Yes. And then I have two number lines. The one that we tore out to get home, and then there's this one here.
Nice. Huh? Now where's your number line? Layla, where's yours? You're still looking for it. Okay, so Layla will answer this question first. Okay, I'm sure you know how to do it.
Number 9.
Right, so Layla, what is negative 5 plus 10?
So can I just say my answer?
No? Yes. Now you see, that is why you need a number line. It's 5. What is 5 minus 8, Michael? No. It's negative 3. What's negative 3 minus 2? Yes? Negative 5. That is why you need a number line, Michael. Come stand here, here's a number line. Just as this there, that's at the computer. Don't do the finger. You go to put your finger on negative 5 plus 10. Do you see it's 5? 5 minus 8? Is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2? Negative 5. Negative 5 plus 6? You all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It's 1. Right. Just hang on. You must throw your stuff away.
I didn't, sir.
You don't look after it. Right. So here we got negative 3. What's positive times negative? Negative 2 plus 8 plus 5 minus 1 minus 3. Not so. Now without a number line. Okay? What's negative 3 minus 2?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Nice. Negative 5 plus 8? Right. Use a number line. Negative 3 minus 2.
Negative 5.
Negative 5 plus 8?
3.
3. 3 plus 5?
8.
Minus 1?
7.
Minus 3?
4.
4. You all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please make you a number line. Don't throw your stuff away, okay? Or did you sell it? Okay. Did I give you any other homework to do? No? So I gave you so little work. Why didn't you tell me here, so I give you so little work? A break? When you die, you take a lekker break. No? You was breaking in the homes. Sorry? So today we're going to look at vertical addition, okay? What we have been doing all the time was horizontal addition, was when it goes across, okay? Now we're going to do vertical addition, which goes down. You all okay with that? Right. You write that down. You do those two sums quickly. Layla, your number line sorted, Michael? Huh? Not yet. It'll be sorted now, otherwise you're going to do the next few sums as well. Or you want to come up again? Huh? Oh, you're busy. Nice, I like it. Please look after your stuff, people. Right, you guys finish? Yes, okay. Which page is this on? It's on page 43. The example's on page 43. Alright. So, vertical addition, as we said, vertical is something that stands up straight. That's all, moves one step onto the other. So, what's negative 3 plus 5? 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 0 minus 1. Negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2? 1. We got an answer of 1? Oh dear. You all got 1, eh? Right. Where did we stop? Ooh. We stopped here somewhere, eh?
No, sir.
Right.
Right.
Right. Thank you, Niyasha. We'll start by you.
No, sir.
Alright, what's the answer to number 22, Michael?
No, sir, not me, sir.
Now you get the chance.
I do, sir.
Please try.
I'm still doing that.
Alright, we wait for you, okay? We're waiting for Niyasha. Otherwise, you guys have another 2 sums on the board.
So you can try on you can. I can.
Don't tell me what to do, Michael. No problem. You're forgiven, huh? I just want the answer from you, that's all. Okay, nice. You want to come to the board?
Sir,
0. Do you all agree with that?
yes, sir.
Right. So, Niyasha, what is 10 minus 12?
Negative
Negative 2. Nice. Negative 2 minus 2? Use your number line. Listen, don't use your heads yet, okay? Use the number line. You got negative 2 minus 0. Negative 2 minus 2.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5. 1 minus 1. Nice. You all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you guys finish with this number 23?
No, sir.
No. Right. You next, ne? The girl in front of Niyasha. So you let me know when you're done. We can take it from there, okay? I want everybody to understand, okay? So if you don't understand, we'll try and help you, okay? You finished, my girl? I'm waiting for you. Which number do you think you must do? If the next number, if number 22 was done, then the next number is number 23. Or you want the number 24 to be next? Oh, you done with number 20. Nice, nice. Sorry, man, you know, with the age, the hearing is going and sight. No? Right, talk to me. What's your answer?
I got minus 5a
Minus 5a
minus 6b
minus 6b.
9c
Huh?
plus 9c.
Who got that answer? What did you have here in front?
Me, sir.
Yes.
Negative 5a minus 0 plus 15c.
Yes, who got that answer? That's not right. Who got a different answer to this? Right, what do you have, Zara?
Negative 5a plus 0 plus 9c.
Okay, now Zara. If you look at 2a minus 5a. Firstly, we are told here, you write this note down here. Right. Below the number 24, you write. Important to note. Like terms are grouped together and written one below that. Okay. But if you look here, so you don't have a problem with negative 5a. Go on your number line. Negative 3 minus 2 is what? Negative 5 minus 1 is what? Negative 6. Now negative 3b minus 2b is negative 5b. Negative 5b minus 1b is negative 6b, which makes a correct. Nice. Okay? That was right. Who got a different answer here? Yes, do you have a different answer to C? 20, eh? 10C, no problem. On your number line? You got 4 plus 8. What's 4 plus 8? 12. And 12 minus 3? 9. So now, let's go here. 4C plus 8C is what? 12C. 12C minus 3C? 9C. Which makes it absolutely good. Well done. Alright. You understand where we're going on? Right. So I'll give you a minute to sort number 24 out. Don't forget to write that note. And as you can see, the like terms is listed one below the other. Stacked one above the below the other. Okay. You guys ready? Right, who's next? Me, go with it.
I got negative 15x squared
Negative 15x squared
plus 8x.
plus 8x. Plus 0. We don't have it plus 0. No? Who got that answer? Right, what do you have, Ilan? You got no eyes in your hand up, Ilan? Right, who got that answer? Right, Maya, what did you get?
I got negative 7x squared
Yes?
minus 16x
Yeah?
plus 0.
Plus 0. Okay, so the last column is in the issue. Okay. So let's go here, Michael. On your number line. You got the number line. You're not like... No. Okay, you got your number line. Nice. So you got on your number line. Negative 3 minus 10 is what?
Negative 13.
Negative 13 minus 2.
Negative 11.
Negative 13.
Negative 15.
Negative 13 minus. So you must go in the negative direction. So it gives you negative 15. Can you see here the sign is negative here? So when you go here, it's going to be negative 3x squared minus 10x squared is what? Negative 3x squared minus 10x squared.
Negative 13.
Negative 13x squared. Negative 13x squared minus 2x squared.
Negative 15.
Negative 15x squared. You understand? Let's go here. On your number line, what is negative 4 plus 15?
Negative 4 plus 15.
Plus 15.
And 0.
Negative 4. Go negative 4 plus 15. 11. And 11 minus 3?
8.
8. So what is negative 4x plus 15x?
Eleven.
11 x. 11x minus 3x.
8.
There we go. That's how you get that. You understand? Girlfriend, where did you go wrong?
I didn't write the negative by the 3x squared.
So, by 3x, so you're a positive. You just left it. So you had a blank, so it's positive.
Yes, sir.
So what was your answer?
9x squared minus 8.
9.
Yes.
Yeah, it would have been correct if that was the sum. Okay, but we need maths teachers. Maths teachers are the ones that makes up the sums, no? So you want to become a maths teacher, no problem. You can make up your own sums. No? Sorry?
I didn't see the 8.
Oh, you didn't see, no problem.
Minus.
You didn't see the negative. What would you like to become?
I don't know, sir.
Think about it, no? I'm going to ask you again Monday. Okay? You must have a goal in mind, my dog. Okay? And have, make your one of your ambitions in life or your careers, something to do with maths. So you can practice maths every day. So that can be your goal in life. You want to become an engineer, so you need maths. No? Whatever. But we'll speak about that on Monday. No? Okay. I need you guys to write this down, notation when adding. Now this, okay, this you don't have to write. This is the rule that we were applying all the time. No, so there's no sign here, it's positive. So positive times positive is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Not so? And 5 minus 3 is 2. Here you've got a positive. Positive times negative is negative. Positive times negative is negative. And negative 3 minus 2 is negative 1. No? The last one is a positive here. Positive times a positive is positive. Positive times negative is negative. 8 minus 10 is negative. You all okay with that? No? That is quite simple. That's the rule we were doing from the beginning. So we are still working with addition. Let's see here what it's saying. Right now we're moving on to properties of 0. This I want you guys to write down. Properties of 0. Pause the video at this point. Alright. So properties of 0, negative 3 plus 3 will be 0. Not so. That implies that negative 3 is an additive inverse of 3. So what does that mean? If something is an additive inverse of something, add it together, it gives you an answer of 0. So what's the additive inverse of 8? Negative. What's the additive inverse of negative 5? 5. What's the additive inverse of 1 million? Negative 1. What's the additive inverse of negative 2x squared? Positive 2x squared. 2x squared. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
So the additive inverse, you add it, you will get an answer of 0. Okay. So 10 plus minus 10 is going to give you 0. 10 is the additive inverse of negative 10. Negative 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 is the additive inverse of negative 5. So what's negative 3 plus 0? Negative 3. Not oh, it's a 0. Yeah? Negative 3. What is 10 plus 0? 10. That's simple, no? What is 0 plus minus 5? Is there anybody that's confused at this point? Anybody that's confused? Let's carry on with our lives. So your homework is going to be exercise 2, and it's on page 44. Exercise 2 on page 44. Don't forget you're writing a test on Monday on what you have done for this week, okay? Now I'm telling you now, so it's not a spot test anymore. The class test now, okay? I don't want to give you surprises anymore, because when I mark your scripts, and I'm also surprised. I give you an opportunity to go learn this stuff, okay? Writing a test on Monday. So what I want you guys to do now, we got a couple of minutes left. I'm going to highlight a few sums. Okay? I want you guys to answer before we leave today, okay? I'll call you up row by row again, and I will check that your work is in order. We are going to do those 10 sums now quickly. But for homework, it's going to be the rest of the exercise, okay? This is the rest of the exercise. This is everything we've done now for the past 2 periods. Today and yesterday's lesson. Is that okay? Is this enough or you need more? Okay. Thank you. It's a pleasure. Nobody saying thank you for the homework? It's a pleasure. Why are you playing musical chairs? Oh, you can't. You're the one that we put here in front.
No, sir.
Oh, it was our cousin. Okay. Right. Let me pause the video again. I don't think we will mark it today, but we'll see. Okay.